that thing. You get me?
Oh, go figure. Look at that.
So the Hawk Tuah girl created a meme coin.
My Hawk meme coin is live!
And then she defrauded everyone, and people lost millions of dollars.
I hope we all know about this because my channel is about helping people how to make money online. This is an obvious topic, and at the end I will show you how you can make money without risking your hard-earned money on something that you have no idea about.
That's what's going on right now. In the most predictable headline ever, Hawk Tuah girl Haley Welsh launches meme coin, which immediately crashes and defrauds all of her investors.
Almost every single day, at least 3 to 5 people ask me whether they should invest in crypto or do crypto trading, or they have lost money in some kind of crypto scam or crypto trading. I ask them, why did you even try crypto? They say it sounded like passive income because the crypto scammers will just ask for money and promise the world. You just pay them money. Maybe they will use your money to trade on your behalf, or maybe they will just scam you. You have no idea of, because you did not lose money. You lost the opportunity to learn about a technology. Yeah, the crypto technology. Instead of putting your money in a scam or something unknown, you could have put your money to learn about the whole thing first. Now the problem is learning is some kind of work, which is just the opposite of passive income. We want free money, lazy money, passive income. So we get into this and eventually lose money. Now let's make some money. You see this guy right here, his name is Benny Johnson. And in the whole video, all he did was switching on his camera, his light on the face, and a microphone, which is hidden somewhere, we don't see it, and he's literally sharing his screen showing different posts on Twitter, I mean X, and nothing else. He's reacting on the posts, sometimes making a comment, and he did not add any additional value. And just by doing that, his channel is making approximately $38,000 to $617,000 a month, even approximately about $7.4 million a year. This is nuts. This is probably more money than most of the crypto people that I know. Please don't say what you're trying to say right now. Mosh, he's using an expensive camera. I don't have a good camera. Any phone camera right now is better than a lot of expensive cameras out there. I can show you tons of proofs, so just zip it. Well, to sound good, you need a decent mic. Go to Amazon, search with mic, M-I-C, and you will see tons of excellent mics with tens of thousands of 4.6 out of 5 ratings. And this one is about $50 price. This one $65. This one right here, my friend, comes with a boom arm mic and a pop filter for $45 and got 6,489 positive reviews. Man, this is crazy. Never tell me that equipments are expensive. You do not need this mic. People are making crazy money with this kind of stuff. Next, you need a soft light. I use this kind of light, but before making this kind of investment, I made a lot of money and I invested from my earnings. When you are starting, you can do just like this. I put a couple of LED lights, which are used in toilets, on a wooden board, and then I covered them with my white vest to turn it into even softer light. That's it. The videos I made with these lights made me thousands of dollars. Oh, by the way, this was the time when I was traveling in another country. I couldn't carry my big light, big dome, and the full setup. Mosh, I don't know what to say in the video. Even he doesn't know what he's saying in the video. All he's doing is scrolling his browser and reading Twitter posts, reacting and commenting. Do it 5 times, 10 times, and you'll be an expert. In fact, this is exactly what I'm doing right here. And if you have absolutely zero idea what to say in a video, then use our proprietary AI agent, Clone My Tone. Click, it will ask you something from your tone. Just record something or say something or type something that you are comfortable to read. I have just uploaded a file with one of my video transcript and hit go. Now the AI is asking me what I want it to rewrite. I want to rewrite these videos transcript, so I'm gonna copy the whole transcript, paste it here, and hit enter. Now AI is writing the outline of the story using my tone, so I don't have to write anything. And I liked it so far. So I'm just going to type go and enter. And now my video script is being written. It's completely unique. It's in my style. I can easily read it and make videos like this. Am I gonna get millions of views like him? Probably no, but with time down the line, if I stay consistent, maybe I can do better. Now, if you're new to my channel and you don't know how to use these views and turn them into money, one of the ways is YouTube's AdSense. YouTube pays approximately $3,000 to $5,000 per million views. If you publish the same video on Facebook, then they will pay you $8,750 to way up to $10,000 for a million views. And TikTok will pay you starting from $100 to $600 to way up to $1,000 per million views. So you can use the same video, upload them in multiple channels or multiple pages or multiple platforms and make money just from views. But that's not all. This is basically not what I love. What I love is called digital marketing. This is a screenshot of the commissions earned by our affiliates. And we paid our affiliates over $2.6 million only from this account. These are the commissions earned by each affiliate. Look at this. 6 figures, 6 figures, 6 figures, 6 figures, tons of 5 figures and 4 figures. Now, what's more important in this chaos of numbers is that we figured when visitors visit our websites and they buy from us, we earn 55 cents to way up to 88 cents on the average per visitor after purchase, not for views or visits. But this is the minimum value we earn. And here is a result of 4 different accounts. One account 55 cents, 64 cents, 75 cents, and way up to 88 cents. So you see, every time visitors visit our websites, some of them purchase and we make money, and this is called digital marketing. And when you sell other people's products and earn commission from it, it's called affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you don't need to create an offer. You don't need a website. You don't need selling or shipping. You just need to send traffic through your content. Now that's a totally long story that I can't cover in this video. So I recommend if you want to learn how our affiliates made this much money and how beginner members of our program are making high ticket affiliate commissions like this, then watch the free training in the description. Go to the description, check the first link and watch the free training. The training is completely free to watch, and at the end of the training, you will learn about our program. I promise you, I will be completely transparent and show you how we make money selling digital products and how our beginner members earn money like this with a 99% done for you system. And if you have questions, feel free to reach me out on Instagram. Send me a DM. I will be more than happy to answer your questions. And if you want to learn more about making money online, getting free traffic, watch these videos and these videos. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and we will see you on the next video.